the fourth chapter. It is determinants. A determinant is actually defined only on all the square matrices. If you consider only square matrices, a determinant a function is a function defined on all the square matrices, on the set of square matrices. And this function is a real valued function, or the image of each square matrix is a real value. For example, in function what you have learned is, you have learned in functions, so f of x is the image of x, image of x. So in case of determinants, here we consider the square matrix. For example, if you consider the square matrix 1, 2, 3, write like this. This is defined as 4 minus 6, or we are getting the image of the square matrix as minus 2. So even though it is a function, we use another notation for special case of this matrices. Instead of f, we use a special notation. That notation you carefully just see. It is like this. We write 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of f of this symbol, that is two parallel lines, it almost looks like x, but it's not x. Symbol used for the function f, and we read it as, it is read as determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is determinant. And suppose we have the matrix A equal to
Ma'am, ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, could you repeat determinants once again?
Okay, determinant is actually a function defined on set of square matrices. So when I go for the function, you just recollect what you have learned in last year function. Okay, I'm just repeating it again. Function is what? Last year I studied, no? Here is a domain, here is a codomain, and function is defined like this. Suppose this is a real number, this is a real number. If you have 1, 2, इसका image इधर 4 हो गया. Under the function, if we have this 3, we have here 9. So like that you have defined function last year, and different notations we have used for defining function, right? Which are the two different notations we use? One is this function, you can write it in the set form. One is f equal to, you can write like this, 2, 4, 3, 9. This is one of the way we have learned function. Another way of expressing the same function is, only you are talking about the image of all the elements of the domain. This is what called domain, right? ये domain का elements कौन सा है? It is 2 and 3. ये 2 और 3 का image क्या है? Image is here. This is 4 is image of 2. And how do we write image of 2 under the function f? We write it as f of 2. So this f of 2, this is f of 2. And f of 2 is 4, right? Similarly, what is f of 3? F of 3 is 9. So this much you have studied in case of functions. Now, I am coming back to the same function for defining determinant. इसमें क्या है, ये जो domain है, domain we keep all the square matrices. Okay, here in this domain we consider all the square matrices. It can be square matrix of order 2, it can be square matrix of order 3, it can be square matrices of order any higher order. For example, I am taking one square matrix 1, 2. 3 4. Okay, and इसका image क्या होगा, right side पर होगा. And see how I'm defining the image here is, I'm taking the image of here, this matrix 1 2 3 4. I'm giving it as 4 minus 6. One number I'm giving as image, that is my 4 minus 6 minus 2. So what is the image of the matrix 1 2 3 4? It is minus 2. So actually, how do we write it in the function form? We write like this: f of what is the matrix? 1 2 3 4. F of this equal to, I have given the value as minus 2, right? ये हम यूजुअल वे में लिखता है, लेकिन इधर क्या है, इधर हम एक डिफरेंट नोटेशन यूज करते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ एफ ऑफ दिस इमेज, एक्चुअली एफ ऑफ पर लिखता है, लेकिन हम सेट ऑफ मैट्रिसेस में ये नोटेशन हम दूसरा लेता है ऐसे 1 2 3 4. This is nothing but, instead of f of 1 2 3 4, we use a different notation by taking the two parallel lines. Okay, understood or asked doubt? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So ये एक notation you have to be familiar with. So ये notation के अनुसार हमको इधर f of ये -2 का जगह पर हमको ये लिख सकता है, this 1 2 3 4. Okay, ये है हमारा इमेज. ये एक्चुअली एक रियल नंबर है, ये एक्चुअली a real number है. that real number here is, it is actually -2 है. Now how to get this real number, I'll teach you now. So one thing you should understand, that the image of the matrix 1 2 3 4 is -2, and the image of 1 2 3 4 is denoted with the symbol. This much only I taught you now. Okay, suppose you want to take the image of 1 4 3 2. जो भी इमेज है, ये वाला नोटेशन हम यूज नहीं करेगा, हम यूज करेगा दूसरा नोटेशन. व्हाट इज दैट? ये हम ऐसे लिखेगा 1 4 3 2. Okay, so I'm telling this, actually the number is, this image is 2 minus 12. And how did I get this 2 minus 12? That is a technique. 1 into 2, 1 into 2 minus 3 into 4. So I'm getting this image, or its value we say. इमेज को हम फंक्शन वैल्यू भी बोलता है, इसलिए ये इमेज को हम डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू बोलता है. Instead of function, we use the word determinant. Okay, so determinant of 1432 is defined as 1 into 2 minus 3 into 4. Okay, so now you can write the definition. Determinant is, I hope you have written this definition. Please write the definition. This is the definition. Only this much you have to write. Determinant is a function defined on set of all square matrices. Determinant is a real valued function. Please add one word here. It is a real valued function. It's a real valued function defined on the set of all the square matrices. Now the first one, how to find determinant of a matrix of order 1. Matrix, all the square matrices one by one we are considering. Now, if you consider the square matrix of order 1, it will come like this, right? Suppose only one element will be there. A square matrix of order 1 means it is coming like this. It's a one by one order. And its determinant value is written like this, and it is defined as A itself. You can write it now. Second, determinant of a matrix of order 2. ये कैसा लिखता है? You can write like this: A, B, C, D. It is defined as A into D minus C into B. You can see the diagonal cross multiplication जैसा है. A into D minus C into D. Have you written? The next is actually how to find the determinant value of matrix of order 3 by 3. For that, for defining that, you have to know some of other terms of the elements of a matrix. So that we will learn, and after that we will go for that. Before that, you please find the value of this. It is, what is the determinant value of 1, 2, 3, 4? Please write the answer. First number 2, minus 1, 4, 0, 2. So for the first one, it is 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So the answer is 4 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. And for the second one, again 1 into minus 1 into 2 minus 0 into 4, so which is equal to minus 2 minus 0. So this is the answer. Both are minus 2 only. First number 3. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. So what is it actually? It is actually an algebraic equation. Even though it looks like matrix equation, it is not a matrix equation. Left hand side is a determinant, it will be a real number. The right hand side is a determinant, that will be a real number. So it is, and x variable x is involved, so it is an algebraic equation. Find x means you have to solve it. So what you do, you expand or you write the value of the determinant. For the first one, it is 1 into 4 minus 2 into x equal to, right hand side it is 1 into 4 minus 4 into x. So, or you are getting 4 minus 2x equal to 4 minus 4x. So, what is the value of x? You are getting 4 cancel, and you are getting 6x equal to 0 or x equal to 0.